I've been a real estate flipper. I've been only flipping properties for the last 10 years basically, and didn't dabble in any other types of real estate investing. Um, and it's good and bad. I mean, obviously we get a lot of money flipping, but the drawbacks are it's very labor intensive. You have to be working every day. You have to be on top of the contractors. You have to be finding new deals, getting funding. That's the same with really any real estate, but flipping specifically is very labor intensive. So I want to switch over to owning a little bit more rentals. I'm always going to be flipping properties, but taking my mix of real estate investing and doing a little bit more on the rental side. So investing in multifamily, long-term rents, Airbnbs, and get a little bit more passive income, at least so I can replace or make enough money to pay my bills, replace my day job type of thing. But I'm always going to be flipping properties. But I do want to move more to owning rentals.
I think right now Airbnb is definitely one of the best ways to have passive income. I think like there's properties that could make like 5 to like 10, 15, $20,000 a month. Like some multifamily investors have 20 units or 50 doors or 100 doors, and they're making the same thing. So to me, it's like, do I want to have a headache of managing 100 doors, single families, or 100 unit apartment, or I want to have 5 properties that make 20K each, So I think that's, right now I'm launching 2 of my Airbnbs this year, and then I'm hoping to pick up a few more. So once I see what that's like, then I'll be able to see like, okay, I'll jump into multifamily, or I'll just have 100 Airbnbs. It's tricky though, because Airbnb market, we don't know if it's always going to be around. We don't know if it's going to be around forever. But for now, I think probably best way.
Airbnb is a huge opportunity that came out of technology, just like Uber, changed the taxi industry forever. Airbnb has changed the hospitality and hotel industry forever. I don't think it's going anywhere. I mean, I posted the other day that short-term rentals are still growing. There's more competition out there. So with like your properties, you have to just keep them, have them stand out amongst the competition, and you're still going to do really, really well on Airbnb. But yeah, there's so many things to do in real estate, so many different ways to invest, that you just have to think about what fits your style and what makes you excited, and go with that. Could be owning long-term rents, could be Airbnbs, could be flipping. Yeah, there's just so many different ways you can make money in real estate.